In the garden of greens and grains, where vibrant health abounds, lie the treasures of the earth, in nature's purest grounds. Kale and spinach, leafy and bright, stand tall in morning dew, while carrots hide beneath the soil, in shades of orange hue. Blueberries burst with sweet delight, a tiny, potent pack of antioxidants and joy. A healthy, tasty snack, quinoa fields stretch far and wide, with seeds of ancient lore. Proteins rich and fiber strong, in every single pore. Avocados, creamy and green, with goodness in each slice. Nuts and seeds, a crunchy feast, of fats that taste so nice. Tomatoes blushing in the sun, with lycopene they gleam, while garlic adds a spicy touch, in every savory dream. In this garden, we shall roam, among the wholesome fare, embracing all the vibrant foods, with love and tender care. For health and joy go hand in hand, in every bite we take. With nature's bounty on our plates, a life of wellness make.